The currency pairs correlation indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Also, traders can own this page to know how the indicator works. From the navigation section, you select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and activate it, then click the OK button. When the indicator is loaded, a panel opens at the bottom of the chart. The currency pairs correlation indicator, regardless of the symbol it is applied to, calculates the correlation between two currency pairs, which by default are symbol 1, USD, and symbol 2, USDCHF. It displays the result in the lower panel, with the blue line representing the first symbol and the orange line representing the second symbol, in the settings. In the input section, options are provided for us. The first part relates to the display settings, the theme or the custom template of the indicator, which has three sections: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, the template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is chosen, and by selecting the custom option, it retains your customized template and only applies the indicator to the chart. The next section relates to the indicator settings. Here we have two levels provided for us. When the first symbol is above our trigger level and the second symbol is below our trigger level, the indicator's histogram is activated and shows us a green histogram. When the first symbol is below the ordinary level and the second symbol is above the trigger level, a red histogram is displayed to us. Here we can select the first symbol, which is initially set to EURUSD. You can set the moving average period settings and the type of moving average from this section, where the number 0 represents simple, 1 represents exponential, 2 represents SMA, and 3 represents weighted linear. The next section is related to the calculation type settings, where 0 means closing price, 1 means opening price, 2 means highest price, 3 means lowest price, and you can set the rest in this section in order. The next section is an additional moving average to prevent market fluctuations, which uses a moving average to smooth out the lines, with a default period of 5, calculating 5 candles and taking the average backward, performing its calculations on the indicator, and smoothing the fluctuations. The larger the number, the smoother the fluctuations will be. The next section is similar. Our second symbol is initially set to USDCHF, and you can change its symbol. The section includes setting the moving average period, setting the method type, setting the calculation type, and finally setting the smoothing period, which is initially set to 5. Here, I select the dark template, and then confirm. The dark template is now applied to my chart, and the indicator is displayed to me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section